Commanders morning. Sibonge kakhulu umuntu uthi nje akadlulise ukubonga kwi-sub-region yase-Howick yonke yonkana ihlangene kulo 3 days ebekade sikhona njenge-MK Labour Desk. Siyabonga kakhulu. We applaud your commitment and dedication in fact ehambisana nanama resources enu, because kulowa motorcade ubungena inkampani nenkampani siphinda futhi sizokwenza ama appointment nabanikazi beinkampani. It was a lot, but siyabonga njenge-MK Labour Desk sikushayela izandla lokho, and siyabonga ukuthi ama-comrade athe azoyisustain iprogram yokuhambela amafemu wonke ase-Howick. Unfortunately sibhalelwe incwadi uMayor uPapas sikhona laphayana eHowick. Leya letter ibithi uma ngabe qhamuka amalungu omkhonto wesizwe ubengasasibizi ke nge-MK Labour Desk, bese sibiza ngomkhonto wesizwe ngoba akazi awaboshwe. Wayikhipha nje incwadi wayinikeza futhi bonke osomabhizinisi base Howick. Waphinde futhi wakhipha umyalelo emaphoyiseni, wakhipha umyalelo kuma-security. Hey bafethu, i-unit yokusebenza kwamaphoyisa nama-security siyayibonga kakhulu ngoba you can't just instruct them ngento engekho substantive. Uyabona indlela ebesi-operate ngayo lapha, we were very disciplined. That's why I'm applauding lokhuze i-sub-region yase-Howick. We were very disciplined cadres. I-engagement yethu bekwala noma osomabhizinisi ebesitshengise ama-letters from uMayor, bathi kodwa indlela esibuka i-approach enenza ngayo ngabe siyayimosha lento masingathi amaphoyisa akazobopha abantu aba-peaceful like this, and sizoyivulela wonke amalokhuze ama-foreigners ukuthi aphume ngoba siyabona ukuthi it's a burning issue njengamanje, because siza nje no section 38 we-Immigration Act siyawufunda futhi. Bayabona nabo ukuthi we are not just mampumpane. Umbuzo wami uthi uMayor yiphi incwadi aseyikhiphile ukuthi wonke umqashi oqasha nje foreigner ibhizinisi yakhe ivalwe? It's unfortunate ukuthi uPapane namvotela nicabanga ukuthi umuntu ngoba ekhuluma isiZulu. Lwamlungu lwamlo abantu base-Howick, they must know now ukuthi uPapane ubani. uPapane is white and uPapane is going to fight for ukuthi abantu bakithi bahlale enhluphekweni even 2026 local government elections. Mvoteleni ke nina ngoba nithi wazi isiZulu. Lwamuntu awutshela. But ke kodwa ke siyabonga ukuthi sinqobile izolo. We came up with some job opportunities. Abafowethu ba busy nama-CV bebesho kabaqashi ukuthi badinga abantu aba-skillful. So okwethu bekuwukuthi sibabheke, kukhona ke abenza ne-labor ukuthi ke nje benze nje just a general labor. Bafowethu Department of Labor let us down, and I want to applaud the Deputy Minister. Ngimbonile Newcastle, kodwa ngifuna ukucacisa lokho ukuthi akaqhubeke akalungisa i-department yakhe. Angimncomi umuntu wenye inhlangano uma engenzanga kahle vele, futhi asikho isidingo, kodwa udepartment uminister into ayenze eNewcastle, hayi namanje ngiyabona ukuthi hayi cha i-MK Labour Desk hayi bavusile abantu. They are starting now to to deliver their mandate. Uyayizwa loo nto leyo. Siyabonga kakhulu kuminister, cha siyakubonga nje regardless ukuthi owe-ANC, but siyabonga indlela enze ngayo ukuthi akwazi ukuthatha i-initiative yokudila nama-foreigners ngaleya ndlela adile ngayo nawo. Bengiqala ukubona uminister e-engage in that fashion. Hayi siyayincoma when it's true, but kule ye-Department of Labour amalogoza ama-inspectors bafowethu, it's a problem. eHowick ama-officials aka-Department of Labour abasebenzi baze bashuthe ngisho iy'moto zabo. Nazi iy'moto nje sinazo la, iy'moto ey'qhamuka ziyolanda imvilophi zingayi ko-enforcer i-compliance, and mawuthi ufuna ukuyosebenza nabo, they run away from you. Into ongayazi nje ukuthi kwakwenzekeni ukuthi kube khona i-department efana no-Labour ekwazi ukwenzela abantu bakithi phansi, ekwazi ukucindezela abantu bakithi ngokwe-minimum wage bahola far from minimum wage, and kugcela amazayiza ama-illegal immigrations agcwele lapha bafowethu, agcwele indaba okudlala. uLabour kwaziwa nanokuthi ubani umuntu o-inspector la, and uma umlungu ethi uyakutshengisa abantu baka-Labour kuney'nhliziyo ey'bomvu, kunamahagi, kuyachaza ukuthi abangani laba bantu, they are paying each other ukuthi kugqilazeke abantu bakithi. Department of Labour bafowethu ayisilekeleli inhlobo. Uyazi ukuthi kade sisemandeni babaleka bazephule. Uyabona makuthiwa uyazama ukuthi usondelane nabo, they run away, babaleke, immigration ibaleke. Ashongo thina ukuthi abantu abazobopha. Sithe thina sizokhipha ama-foreigners, kulungile mabesafuna ukuwagcina kwi-country, it's okay, but not ngemsebenzi yabantu bala eSouth Africa. I-unemployment is very high. I-youth yala eSouth Africa ayisebenzi, but kwi-Department of Labour, instead of assisting i-system ukuthi ikwazi ukusilekelela, and Home Affairs is busy issuing ama-permits are illegal to the foreigners, issuing asylum papers kungafanele to the foreigners, so that ama-foreigners will take over our country. Umuntu osebenza ka-Department of Home Affairs nomuntu osebenza ka-Department of Labour bafowethu, noma ngabe kuthiwa ukuyiphi i-department, hamba uyobatshela ukuthi nisenzela phansi. Uyabona makuthiwa umuntu osebenza ka-Department of Labour usenzela phansi, waka-Home Affairs kwi-immigration nisenzela phansi bafowethu ngendlela emangalisayo. And I don't know ukuthi kwakwenzeke kanjani ukuthi singene emzabalazweni nabantu who don't understand the patriotism, i-activism, ukuthi why bekwazi ukutetela ama-foreigners azoba illegally ngokungemthetho, and they are taking 7,000 rand to do that. 7,000 rand bayasha ama-foreigners ukuthi laphayana siyakhona usilekelela, sisalwenza kuphenyo bafethu ne-investigation ukuthi why kuma-foreigners ekwazi ukuthola ama-asylum engafanele, ama-ID ethu ongcobo abama-foreigners, ojoba abama-foreigners kungafanele. And I was happy this morning ey'ndabeni ngizwe ukuthi sesiyaqala manje siyangena semaklinikhi, akekho umuntu ozongena kwiklinikhi yethu kahle engeno wala futhi illegal in our country. Uma ngabe umthetho bengafuni uku-enforce abantu ekufanele bawu-enforce esabaqashayo, thina we have to enforce the law as a community. We are the law-binding citizens. Njenge-community we have to be part of it. Angabi part of it mangabe kuthanda omunye engathandi. Siyake eMshwathi Greytown mhla ka-9 sizobe sikhona, nakhona futhi baleka foreigner. Silapho nje into yethu. Siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu, benishayela izandla. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.